So in my last video, actually, I discussed about what will be the impact if you invest in mutual fund and ETF, which is basically the fees. But the next the question is, many people doesn't know that how to choose the ETFs and stocks. Actually, it's very difficult to do that. But what are the ways there? Because people will say like, oh, I like the mutual fund because somebody is choosing for me, somebody is managing for this thing, the mutual fund. But I don't know which ETF to choose, when to buy, when to sell. So basically it's managing the whole fund. The question is, can I just mimic the mutual fund like ETF and stock? Yes, actually you can do it. How? Is it impossible to invest in mutual fund without the fees? The question comes into later that I want to invest and how I can do it without the fees. Basically, the fees is the main thing. The mutual fund is difference between your ETF and the stock, because a mutual fund is a combination of ETF and stocks. So, is it possible to invest the mutual fund without the fees? Yes. How? I'll show you in next couple of minutes. There are many companies offer actually the mutual fund, so you can pick any companies there. I'll show you a demo of in Canada and in India. I just type at what are the mutual funds available for the TD mutual fund. So here it'll pop up. So different types of mutual funds are there. You can choose any of them. Not a problem of the different of the mutual funds. The main thing how the funds are accumulated based on ETF or other stocks. So I'm just choosing one of them. TD, dividend income mutual fund. So I go there. What you have to go do it. You can read all the stuffs, anything you like and anything you put it there. But if you just go down the bottom, you can see the portfolio analysis. So like where is your these, if you're investing on the mutual fund, how they will be segregate your money or distribute your money in a different asset mix. One is a Canadian equity, US equity, income trust, and foreign bonds. But if you want to know where actually the top 10 holdings, so that is given in here. So RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada, Bank of Montreal, TD, Brookfield, and all the stuffs are there, and then the percentage they put it there. So basically, if you have $100, you can split in this percentage, and then you can work on that thing. Next thing, I picked it up. I type in Google that what are the Indian mutual funds if I want to check, and then those were in India, how we can invest without the mutual fund, without the fees. Just I type Indian mutual funds, it's pop up, and there is SBI. I go there, and then I checked about it. Choose any of these things, like suppose like the hybrid fund I'm choosing. It will pop up that what kind of fund it is and how it works. So I just picked up any of these things arbitrary. SBI multi-asset allocation fund. If I put it there, if I choose it there, and it will come, all the details will come into the place. You see all the details comes, how it works and all this thing. If you want to know, only the thing is, if you just go to the portfolio breakup, it will show you which area they allocated all the resources, like all the money. It's there. This is what I'm not looking, this is what I'm looking at, that basically the holdings there. So basically, if I want to buy differently without the fees, if I have basically $100, so I'll put 6.21 dollar here, like SBI gold ETF, or like rupees, and then cash I'll keep it 4.82. Silver, you can see like Brookfield, Indian real estate, Bandhan Bank, and all the stuff. So basically this is the percentage, and you know how to divide the percentage from your money. And then whole list of the companies are there, you can buy it. But so yeah, so this is the way you can see that that they are managing it, they are choosing it, so they already did your work for you. You just have to choose one of like 10 of those or 20 of those, so you can actually properly distribute your portfolio. And then you can actually monitor how they reset it, rebalance it, which will actually on the longer time it might offset also your risk. Hope you like it. Thank you.